In today's video, we'll take a look at Wix Dropshipping tutorial, we'll create an online store, and also I'll show you the way of how to import products. So nothing hard, let's get started. Here we are on our dashboard. You'll come here after creating your account. So if you are new to this platform, you just simply need to open wix.com and then create an account with your Gmail, Facebook, or other platforms, or just simply create it with an existing email. So after that, we need to click on create new site in the right top corner. Maybe you'll find this button somewhere else because they have a lot of options to start creating, because Wix is a platform where you can create a lot of things. So let's click on create new site, and then I would like to use studio templates. In this case, it will be really easy to start with Wix, because if you want to create it from scratch, it could be a little bit harder, because firstly we need to create a structure, then add the content. But if we are going to create with a template, we can just simply add our content, so basically edit the existing structure, so we don't have to try to create something or something like this. So the next step, it's really important to know, is that if you want to create dropshipping stuff, we need to use store template. So here in the left side, we have these categories, types, industries, features, and here we need to choose the stores, which is really important. In this case, we'll be able to interact with our products and so on. And here we can find a couple of different templates, like 10 templates here. We have like e-commerce wireframe and also minimal e-com wireframe. It's like it's a template but without content inside, so it could be really easy to fill with your images, with your information, with your products. And I definitely recommend you to start from this template, or you can choose something here. In my case, I created a couple of online stores with this electronic store template. It means that it's not necessary to sell some electronics. If we're going to use electronics template, we can sell everything we want. So let's say that I want to use this one here. Let's click on view to see how will it look like. And the next thing you need to know is that Wix creates responsive templates. So on different types of devices, they will look pretty decent. So it will be really easy to like sell from this page. So let's use this template. Let's click on edit template in the right top, and they'll come to the next page where we have a couple of options. Will come to our editor, and let's take a quick tour of the editor's page, the editor's window. So it may take a little time to create. Now in the top of the screen, we can switch between different devices to see how will it look like here as for us. So I recommend you to use the desktop version when you are editing, but you can also switch to see how will it look like. Is there some information hidden, for example, on phone, if you want to add it for phones also. So just simply manage these things. Then we can manage our pages on the home page. I recommend you firstly to click on manage pages and then delete all the unnecessary pages you don't want to see here. There are a lot of pages, and let's say that I only need a home, and also I need the store pages like category page, cart page, thank you, and product. So I want to delete all of these pages. Let's click on more, delete, and I'd like to delete all the pages basically, because in this case I don't need them, I don't want to customize them, I don't want to edit them. So just simply delete all the unnecessary pages. The next thing we need to interact with is our design. So here we have a lot of options. So firstly, you can switch between different pages here. And the next thing, we need to edit our design. So if you're going to click on it, we'll be able to find all the properties in the right side. So we can change size, design. Also, we can click, for example, on this image here, and we have a couple of options. So we can add media, we can split horizontally, split vertically, we can click on more to find all the options. For example, if I want to change it, I can find it right up here. So let's delete this photo, for example. So now you won't be able to see it anymore. In this case, you need to customize every single object here, but if we're going to talk about online store, of course, we firstly need to add our products. So how can we do that? We need to open our dashboard. Let's click on more in the left top. Let's open our dashboard. And from this page here, we need to edit our products. So go to catalog, store products, and then just simply products. And here we need to interact with every single product. As you can see, we have a lot of products here which are added as a template. And if you want to delete them, you can just simply select all the products, click on more actions, delete, and delete once more. In this case, it'll be automatically deleted. But what's more interesting is that you can try to customize at least one product. So let's click on more to see how will it look like, basically. So let's click on edit product. And here on our product page, you just simply need to manage all the photos. So we can delete it, add a new images, add videos, manage our info like name, description, like product info, return policy, shipping info, and so on. Manage our prices, and after that just simply click on save in the right top, so you'll be able to manage this product right up here. It means that in this case you need to add all the products inside of your store. The next thing it could be really important to know is that we can add some integrations. So if you're going to the previous page with our editor, we can then go to App Market here, go to App Market, and then we'll be able to find some dropshipping stuff. For example, these hairs, or I also saw the model list somewhere here. So you need to find all the necessary options you'd like to interact with. So we can go to sell online, go to stores, and here we can find a lot of apps to interact with. Wix store, e-commerce, online store from Acquid, basically. Also some other things. Let's find shipping and delivery options. Also we have like order desk, after ship. So there are a lot of options we can try. A lot of them are free. Also they have like free trial. So this is definitely the best way to start interacting. Also have like sell button, online courses. So if you're going to use the online courses, we only have like Wix online programs, for example. For print on demand, we have Printful, Printify, and so on. It's pretty cool. There are a lot of integrations here, so it will be easy as for you to start with that. So if you want to use it for a long time, you definitely need to upgrade your plan. Let's click on upgrade in the top to see all the features of Wix Premium and other plans. Of course, you can try to use it for free, but if you want to stay longer, to get the main, to add some features, to basically add some more things inside of your website, you definitely need to use a paid plan of Wix. So here we have basic, standard, plus, and elite. Depends on your purposes or your plans. You need to select between these plans here. So let's compare their features and let's find something related with like e-commerce platform. And as you can see from standard, we'll be able to interact with e-commerce stuff. But definitely the best fees, for example, let's try to search for fees. Okay, it could be a little bit hard. So plus and elite are of course better than standard. So you can start from standard and after that decide is it suitable as for you to use something more expensive. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.